Another critical part of digital transformation is to understand the legacy issues we are facing, we not only for DBS, but also as a bank as a whole. And we have to improve with a digital mindset. A few legacy examples. Physical cash. For all of us today, who really comes up without physical cash in Hong Kong and Asia? Let's talk about branch needs for banks. Whether you agree or not, there is still a strong demand for physical branches in Hong Kong and in Asia. What kind of services really needs to be done in branches or can be moved into digital? Even in terms of transaction and transparency, why can our fellow friends in the fintech market, such as TNG or Tap & Go, offer instant overseas remittance at very low cost, but many traditional banks cannot? Account and mortgage opening, at least 4 to 8 weeks if not even able to complete the entire process. Not to mention, it is hugely paper-based for majority of banks in Hong Kong, if not even a region. Of course, one thing on emerging customers as well. In the way they interface with the buyers, can they rely on bank to offer an omni-channel experience, or they need to have many devices with different turnaround times and agreements? For customer information retrieval, why does bank data need to be retrieved from internet banking but not embedded into daily apps? These exactly are many legacy issues that I can make one simple conclusion. We need to offer a brand new digital experience to our customers. Change management is hard, and transformation comes with both by time disruption and experience. And back in the Hong Kong example, by collaborating with Hong Kong MA, Hong Kong ICL, fellow banking industry, SVFs, corporate customers, we're trying to incorporate faster payments and various SVF payments into our daily lives in different progress. The same for account opening. There are many elements over here. One is CDD, client due diligence, and the KYC, know your customer process. And the other is the internal setup within banks ourselves. For the former, I truly do not see how this can change much over time. So let's talk about the latter. This can be improved by a fully automated and digitalized process within the bank's backend, instant data interchange with credit bureaus, collaborating with RegTechs, and of course, with support from the government in creating a digital, retail, and corporate identity record. The greatest difference across virtual banks versus traditional banks is that many Phoebes claim they can provide a better customer journey and customer experience to our customers. My question again is, why can't traditional banks do so? In 2025, I believe for banks to succeed, they cannot exist alone. They cannot offer lending standalone, offer standalone internet banking platforms, and of course, maintaining competitive for customers to transact or even to sell insurance. Banks need to stay connected like a customer's life. For example, in DBS ambition of Live More Bank Less, having invisible banking or providing banking service in an ecosystem altogether with partners in the world or in Hong Kong. I believe this is the key for future. I believe this is the new era where banking service can be invisible, in behind of daily lives or business services. Without going too detail into the process, there are few ways traditional banks can actually help to be a fintech ourselves and participate in these ecosystems build up. By participating in partners platform so that we can engage with the customers across customers' journeys. Or by creating platforms alone that connects third-party platforms together. And of course, creating an ecosystem, of course limited by the bank's size and strength. This is a dilemma over here. I believe banks need to be as inclusive into our customers' daily lives if possible. On the other hand, I do not believe a bank can never and will never be able to create interfaces that covers all segments. It must be through ecosystem partnership. It must be through enabling with fintech partners. It must be through collaboration with many other financial institutions in an automated manner, embracing collaboration over competition. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope my sharing right now of how a bank can actually work as a fintech and also collaborate with other fintechs can drive more change and momentum in the market for Hong Kong and for Asia to be more digital and more innovative. Thank you.